Sending kids back to school, it is a topic of conversation a lot of parents continue to have every day. And now with Ada County's mask mandate extended to schools, we wanted to know how parents in schools are planning for the upcoming school year. Hashira Matsuzawa joins us now with some of the concerns that she heard today.
Tammy, needless to say, with just a few weeks to go before the start of school for some, there are a lot of questions from parents, and school districts are busy working to try and answer them. One thing is for sure, that CDH mask mandate now applies to Ada County schools from kindergarten to college. Going back to school usually means buying new pencils, notebooks, and a backpack. But this year, parents in Ada County will need to make sure their students also have a mask.
We added that onto our supply lists, and we've provided tips for parents.
Allison Westfall is the communications director for the Kuna School District. She says when students return to school on August 27th, they'll be required to wear a face covering, something the district is urging parents to start helping their kids with now.
They can begin practicing with their kids to become comfortable wearing a mask, know how to properly use it, and they can help kids pick out masks that reflect their personalities as well.
This comes after Central District Health voted Tuesday to clarify its original mask mandate to now include schools.
We've tried a mask with him multiple times, and it ends up poking him in the eye, or it's clear over here on his ear, and he tries biting at it because he doesn't know why he has to wear this and why he can't breathe very well. And he is not able to remove that himself.
Amber Grant is a parent of two students with special needs, which include autism, cerebral palsy, and epilepsy. She's concerned about what the mandate now means for her kids.
I do think the rules need to be different for disabled individuals because they do not have the same abilities. They have more limitations and things that they cannot do and ways they cannot advocate for themselves. We just need to identify with how we feel in those moments, to how these individuals feel but can't communicate it and cannot help themselves.
But the Boise and Kuna school districts say there are exemptions when it comes to wearing a mask. Like this one from the CDC that says cloth face coverings shouldn't be placed on anyone who is incapacitated or otherwise unable to remove a mask without help. As for kids with special needs,
and teachers will be and administrators will be working with those families in those very unique situations.
But there are other situations they're trying to work through. For example, parents refusing to let their kids wear a mask. The Boise School District says they put an emphasis on relationships and will try to educate at first, while the Kuna School District said,
there are a lot of what ifs. We are expecting kids to arrive at school with their face coverings and to follow the directions to wear them.
Understandably, there are a lot of questions from parents, and the Kuna School District tells me that they'll be handling anything else that comes up on a case-by-case basis. The Boise School District tells me they also have 90,000 masks on the way that they'll distribute if need be once the school year starts. Tammy?
Okay, thank you. Some complications, I'm sure, for the school year. Thanks, Shira.